What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority, and for today I got another month of Going Gear EDC Club versus Monthly Knife Club. Both boxes about $200 plus tax, whatever. Let's unbox it, see what we got. This is two boxes that is worth my time. I have subscribed to so many subscription boxes before, none of them are good. These ones are the best, the value is really good. Okay, let's see what's inside them. We'll start with Going Gear. This is October 2025. Okay, we have right here a Gerber keychain tool. That's probably about $10. Ooh, Acebeam. I never had a giant flashlight like that. There you go. Let's open it all and unbox it in a minute. Whoa, what is that? So looks like we got 4 things, but as you can see, it's going to be valuable items, and all of the items will be telling us how much it's going to be. So their Gerber is telling us that it's $15. You know, give it or take it. Never heard of that brand. Looks like some kind of octopus. I don't even know what is that. There you go. This, ooh, smooth, very nice. Bottom lock. And a flipper, beautiful, comes with a nice Kraken, $33, so very affordable knife. This one's supposed to be $52. Looks like Amazon label on them. Okay, never heard of that brand, but that's what's cool about the subscription boxes, mystery boxes. You never know what you're going to get. So what we got here? Yeah, simple flipper. Beautiful, never heard of it. Liner lock, $50. What I'm really excited about is this right here. Where is that? Acebeam is $200 flashlight, and that's so cool. That's like a first time that I got. Usually it's a knife that is most expensive in the box. This time is a flashlight, and it's so cool. So pretty much that $200 flashlight will pay for subscription box, and these 4 things are pretty much a bonus. That is awesome. Okay. Whoa, I love Acebeam. A really reputable flashlight company, just like Olight and others, like Anchor. Wow, this is so cool. I've been wanting to put it to the test to review it. It's so hilarious how the handle is so skinny. But finally got it. I never wanted to buy a $200 flashlight. I don't know. What? Look at that. Looks like these 2 batteries kind of like taped together or fused together. But the charger is only one. You charge the battery. That is so cool. Whoa. That's gonna be bright. It is definitely phone heavy. Probably have to recharge it. Takes 6.5 hours to recharge the battery. The battery is not charged, so we'll put it to the test in the future. But it is a really powerful flashlight. How many lumens looks like? On turbo it's over 5,000 lumens. That is a really powerful flashlight. So we got right here about $280–90 worth of value over here. I love that subscription. Now monthly club, let's see. Okay, they got Gerber as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and couple of fillers. I have gotten this from them before. Okay, so this is kind of like a little mat. Okay, that's junk. This is pretty much junk as well. Power cord. I was hoping there will be fire starter here. So that's kind of worth. So I see it as just like a free stickers. So I must subscribe to this one, I think. Total value. Am I subscribed? Yeah, no, actually I subscribed to this one, an Onyx Plus collector plan, and it cost about $200, but I should get around here, around $300. So we have right here Gerber. That's probably cheap. Gerber do go up to $50. We'll check. Oh man, this is like a multi-tool of some sort. Interesting. Gutsy. Okay. Fishing and all that. Artisan cutlery. Hopefully a lot of value will be in here. Some of these knives could be over $300 by itself. Artisan cutlery. I've heard of them before. Pretty reputable company for sure. I have to look up the value of each tool here in a minute shortly once after I unbox them all. So this is a phone flipper, 35V, and so high quality. This is easily a $100 knife. I think it's titanium. Oh, I love the big bee comb, honeycomb pattern. Very smooth, very nice. There's a thumb studs as well, so you can flick it this way almost. Wow, very smooth. Okay, we'll look up the wall in a minute. And this one is Remedy Wild Species Knife. Ooh, Remedy is a really good brand. They produce some good stuff. This is probably going to be over $200, at least $150 plus. Let's see. They make some cool gravity knife, and they, I would say, like what, 2-3 years old company. G10 handle, Remedy. Okay, and there's a steel name. We'll see. Also phone flipper. Ooh, it kicks beautiful. Yeah, this is a definitely everyday carry tool. There's a thumb studs with the titanium right here. They're actually on Amazon, and this one is $200. This is different. This is anodized titanium. Well, if it's not titanium, if it's a G10 handle, slightly different handle, but it's only $55. So I'm mistaken. Titanium really makes it much more expensive. Artisan Cutlery Beast is on the Knife Center, and they are asking $200. This one is different. This is exactly the same we have, and it has Acebeam drop point. Okay, titanium handle. So you see, the titanium makes it a big difference. This is incredibly lightweight, super. The handle is way lighter than the blade, but I would say they still did a good job with the balance knife. I love it. Ranger, there you go. This is exactly the same. $31, used to be $50. So that's why they say, because it could be going on sale between $300 and $325. So what we got here would have been $300 plus those little things right here. It would have been about $300, but because this one on sale, yeah, close to $300 worth of value. But yeah, good knife right here. In a month, look at that, 1,000 5-star reviews in a month, past month. People bought 50 of them. Really good, everyday carried one. I wouldn't care to lose this one. This one more of like a weekend carrier collecting piece. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which subscription box do you like better.